Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to export your Evernote data from the web version. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do, if you haven't already, is to log in using your credentials. Before you can export your data from the web, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. As of the moment, exporting your Evernote data from the web version is not possible because the web version itself has some quite a few limitations compared to the desktop application. But don't worry, because what we can do instead is, for example, we're going to create a new note. Right? So what we can do is for example, this run right here. Now, for example, this is going to be the data that you wanted to export or trying to export from the web version. Since we don't have that capacity, if you go to the three dot section here and the more actions, you don't have the export button or the export option. All right, you only have the share, edit tags, and a lot more. Even if you go here at your account, go to the settings, there isn't like an option to export. But what we can do for the web is to import. How we can do it? It's simple. All right, so you might notice and remember this file format. The Evernote converts doc, HTML, and text and markdown files into notes. All right, so what we're going to do is, in the same section, go to the settings. I want you to click the devices and make sure that you install the Evernote desktop application on your computer. All right, you see I have installed my computer. I installed the Evernote as the desktop application. All right, so I'm gonna open that. Here. Okay, I'm gonna click on it and it'll be launched in a few seconds. All right. Now, I'm gonna drag you see this? This is the Evernote desktop application, in which, as you can see, they are synced together, right? So the file name of the note is how to export on web. I'm gonna compare it side by side so you guys can see it. Hopefully you can. You see this? So this is, as you can see, it's been updated just around 2 minutes ago. So if I click on it, I will be forwarded to the same notes that I have on the web version. Now, in this instance, if I go to the file section, which I don't have that option on the web version, I can now export it. I have multiple options to export. I have the PDF, send to Microsoft OneNote, send to OneNote Windows 10, and a lot more. I also have the option to open, export note, and the NX format, which we are going to use later. We can save it as NX format or the single web page. Now, what I'm going to do is click the export button and save it to my computer. All right, now I'm going to try to reload it by going to the upper left corner, click the settings, and remember the import section earlier. I'm going to click the browse files, and there goes importing your document. All right, you see that? Let me do that again. Click that file, open. You see, the file has been successfully imported. And again, that's how you export using the web version. It's kind of limited. It needs the help of your desktop application. If you don't have the Evernote desktop application, all you have to do is go to the download page for Evernote right here. You have two options. You can download the desktop for Mac and download the desktop version for Windows, whichever you prefer. You also want to make sure that you click on the release notes, because these are going to be some of the versions that you wanted. All right, the latest version is this. the other versions, if you wanted some backward compatibility, you can choose any of these. But again, if you download that, make sure you also create an account here in Evernote, because you need to sign in whenever you open the Evernote desktop application so you can use the export options. Okay, so that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.